hear that sound again. I don't know where it's coming from. It must be coming from the sky. Can't be the train yard. It's too far away. I've been figuring this out. It's definitely not the ocean. The downtown core and all the cars are way too far away to hear. It sounds like trumpets. Definitely sounds like trumpets to me. What this is. Oh my god. Maybe it's aliens. Maybe it's the rapture happening. God, is it the rapture? And we're just not noticing everyone get taken to heaven because everyone's a freaking asshole? This is scary, man. It doesn't stop. This is scary.